aka Josie Smooze. Welcome to my weird little world. I have seen about YouTube people redoing an past illustration sort of sometime later, so I wanted to explore that today. Working with this little guy here. Haven't done clowns for a little while because I've been so captivated by different creatures, but yeah, clowns is always something that's been close to my heart. I'm quite drawn to them sort of as the misfits of the creature world, so I thought I'd play with him and explore him a little bit and see how I can progress with him today. Enjoy! So it's a few days later, and you probably didn't see in the video I spent quite a bit of time kind of in fear with the illustration. You know, sort of that tape that runs in your head saying, you know, you have to do this, it has to be better than the original, that sort of dialogue. So I've spent a bit of time sort of off camera just playing with it, finding my way in the illustration, and I realised that it's probably for me it's a bit more about reimagining the first illustration, finding a new way to use an old illustration that you love in a new way. Yeah, so it was sort of more about looking at it with fresh eyes, and then sort of once I relaxed and got into it, I found that I really loved this illustration and put a bit more time into adding depth and that sort of thing. And yes, I can see that I've really grown, and there's a lot more depth, a lot more layers in where I'm at with my work now. Yeah, so in the end it was a really fun challenge, something that I definitely encourage you guys to give a go and have a try. Thanks for watching.